Welcome to Mr. Mitsubishi YouTube channel. Covers a lot of all new PHEV information, and today we'll have a look at this. It's a beautiful 2023 Mitsubishi LE trim level on the PHEV. So the trim levels are a little bit different than they are on the gas version, and this one here is the PHEV version. Compared to the base ES, there's so many things that upgraded to this. So in Canada at least, the trim levels go as follows on PHEV. So they go from ES to LE to SCL, GT, and GT Premium. I feel like the biggest, most substantial upgrade that you can have is from ES to LE to this one here. And in this video, we'll cover all those things visually. So exterior and interior, what you get if you spend about $4,700 is to upgrade from ES to LE. Great trim level. The only thing that I'm kind of missing on this is upgraded 20-inch wheels. So on the gas version, the second you go with LE or LEP, you get these 20-inch wheels. On the PHEV is a little bit different. So to get those 20-inch wheels, you have to switch to SCL. So this is our test drive unit, and you have to go with SCL. Then you get these upgraded wheels right there. Otherwise, wow, what a value. And let's start covering everything right now. So first and foremost, visually, we have a couple of things that are different from LE to from ES to LE. We have fog lights right here. We have these silver painted roof rails. We have heated and power folding side mirrors with these integrated turning signals. So that's a pretty big deal in the winter time. So we have these nice turning signals right there, and these mirrors are heated and power folding, so that's pretty cool. When we go move here towards the back, so we do have power tailgate. Let's have a look. Open it up. On the base, you do not have the power tailgate. That almost seems like an option that should be a standard option these days, but it's not. So when you go to LE, you get that. And on this Outlander, we put the rubber mats in it, but I like how if you have just these carpeted mats, look, they have with this, they come with this blue outline to kind of like, you know, give us this electric feel, I guess. So I really like these floor mats, but of course, for winter time, your best friend are these all-weather mats that are rubber. By the way, the rubber mats are different for the PHEV than they are for the regular Outlander. Just be aware of that. So, okay, and I love how the third row seat is just one piece right now compared to the gas version. I've made a video about it comparing the third row seat, so you can check that out on my YouTube channel. I like this much better compared to the gas. So these headrests are way easier to operate like this. You can just flip them up. You don't have to take out and store anything. Super cool and super convenient. Then let's see what else we have different. So we're gonna close the tailgate here, and for the vehicle itself, we have a bunch of convenience features added. So the biggest one, you have this keyless entry. So just by tapping this button right here, you can lock and unlock the vehicle, and we can see how mirrors are folding and unfolding if we do that. So that's a very big add-on, very big convenience thing. You'll love that a lot on your daily routine and your daily drive of the vehicle. So next up, let's open the vehicle itself, and let's see what's different compared to base and why LE is such a great trim level. Okay, let's check it out. We have seats, right? So these are power seats added compared to the base, and the seats itself, they are a little bit different. As we can see, this is the suede interior. This gives you this sporty feel for them. Really cool. They're very nice and comfy seats. I like them a lot. Let's jump in. Let's start the vehicle. Push to start, of course, on all of them. And on Outlander PHEV, what's very good that you have this screen is a standard for all cars. On a regular Outlander is a bit different, but on PHEVs, everybody's getting this 12.3-inch screen, which is awesome. What about this screen here? So not all these screens are the same. So on the PHEV base, you are getting 8-inch screen, and this one is a 9-inch screen. So you're getting a larger screen. So when you do that, you also have this 360 camera right here. So we can see we have the rear view right here, and we have the 360 view here. Has the moving object detection. That's what MOD stands for. So if there's somebody walking, the vehicle is gonna let you know. It's pretty cool system. And also this one has the navigation, so we can put in map and see where we're at. So we can zoom out and spin the world around too. So pretty cool navigation, powered by TomTom. Very nice thing to have. And your Apple CarPlay is wireless on this trim level, so you can still use it on ES. You just have to plug the cord in, but on this one is wireless. Super cool. And the heated steering wheel, that's absolutely one of my all-time favorite options, especially right now in the winter time. Love it. Such a nice convenience thing. Can't live without it, almost. So we have the sunroof right here. Sunroof is also what you get as part of LE. Of course, all other things like all-wheel control and all the safety systems, blind spot information system, and 7 seats, those are standard things on all Outlanders. So right now in this video, we're just talking about what you get if you upgrade to this LE trim level. And also, if you like this app, so you can control the vehicle, preheat or cool the cabin. App comes with this as well. So lots of options that are with the Outlander. And here we have these 2 buttons. So this one is innovative pedal, you know, that captures a lot of regenerative braking, and this EV button just goes through your EV settings: normal, EV priority, save the battery, and charge the battery. So we do have that. So there we go. We just checked out this LE trim level in silver. In times where there are very limited availability out there, I think it's important, if you're waiting on one for yourself, to decide which one you want, because if you ordered something different, your dealer might call you and offer you something like this, and then you know how it looks. So here at Tri-City Mitsubishi in Port Coquitlam, we don't charge over MSRP. If you want to place an order for one, you can just call our store, visit us, or reach out to me through mrmitsubishi.ca. That's my website. You can place accessory orders on it as well. And if we talk accessories, we do have this Outlander hood emblem right here that's added, new to PHEV's, different design compared to the gas versions that we have. Same thing, nice blue, just to kind of give you this electricity feel, and chrome outline, and the side moldings as well. We have these here with PHEV logo right here. There we go. We just checked out this beautiful 2023 LE Silver. Great looking car, great value. You get a lot for the upgrade money. The only thing to me is the wheels, but the wheels, that's something you can either find some aftermarkets that people are sending in here, or maybe somebody wants to swap your vehicle with Outlander. Let's check out this one. What is this one? This one is gas 2-tone white interior. Wow, it's here just for service, I think. Wow, what a great car. Look at the looks of it. We should do a 2-tone option on this one. I think what we'll do is, on our next sales demo version, so we'll deck it out real good. So what we'll do is we'll paint the wheels, we'll black it out, we'll play around with it, so we'll make it look real nice. But for now, thank you so much for watching. Hope you like this video, and see you next videos.